You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to unarchive a story on Instagram to share it again or add it to a highlight. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right and select Archive. At the top of the archive, you will see a drop-down menu. Ensure it says Stories Archive. Your archived stories are organized by date. Find and tap on the story you want to unarchive. The story will open as if it were live. At the bottom, tap the three-dot menu icon. From the menu, you have two main options. To share the story directly back to your profile for 24 hours, select Share. To Story. This will post it immediately. Alternatively, to save it permanently on your profile, select Highlight. Choose an existing highlight or create a new one. Adding it to a highlight effectively unarchives it by making it publicly visible on your profile. To simply move it out of the archive without sharing, you can tap Save. To download a copy to your device, but this does not remove it from the archive. There is no direct unarchive button that merely moves it back to an active state without sharing. You must either reshare it or feature it in a highlight. For more simple Instagram tutorials, subscribe to the channel.